For years, GNSS positioning meant choosing one side of a trade-off: the power efficiency of an L1 or the accuracy of an L1 and L5 receiver. You couldn't have both, which meant shorter battery life or unreliable positioning when it mattered most.
That's exactly what we addressed with the F11 platform. For the first time, we combined L1 and L1L5 capabilities into a single ultra-low power chip. But we didn't just add another band. The real difference is how the receiver adapts. We call this technology selective L5.
In open sky, the receiver operates on the L1 band to save power. But as soon as it detects more challenging environments, such as urban areas, it automatically enables the L5 band and applies advanced multipath mitigation algorithms to maintain meter-level position accuracy.
This means F11 responds to the environment in real time, saving energy when it can and improving performance when it must. With this, we can save up to 30% power consumption compared to previous generations.
For scenarios without deep urban canyons, F11 also offers leap mode.
Unlike selective L5, leap mode operates exclusively on the L1 band, optimizing power efficiency while maintaining excellent positioning performance. The result is a cut in power consumption by up to 50%.
From kids and pet trackers to action cameras and smart glasses, F11 delivers reliable positioning where size, battery life, and performance matter most.
Bringing this performance into your existing design is just as important as the technology itself. That's why MAX M11 and MAX F11 bring the benefits of F11 into a proven module form factor with pin and firmware compatibility to previous generations for easy migration.
MAX modules are widely used in applications such as vehicle telematics or asset trackers for containers, trailers, or railway cars. Security-sensitive devices such as drones benefit from enhanced jamming and spoofing detection. In addition, the integrated dual SAW filters provide strong protection against RF interference from co-located cellular modems.
The result is a solution that combines ultra-low power consumption with improved robustness against today's GNSS-specific threats.
To get started quickly, the EBK F11 evaluation kit gives you immediate access to F11 performance. It allows fast testing and easy evaluation with uCenter 2, so you can validate your design with minimal setup.
For the first time, you no longer have to choose between battery life and positioning accuracy. The F11 family gives you the flexibility to choose the solution that fits your needs.